Today we will talk more about how to make use of private traffic. If you don't know what is private traffic, watch our previous part 1 video before this. The operational steps of private traffic are refer traffic, fission, convert, purchase, repurchase. In this process, fission is considered to be the most characteristic marketing method. There are two key steps for fission. Step 1 is designing a complete mechanism to close the loop. Step 2 is giving enough incentive to cooperate. There are a few common feature methods. First is group buying. This is suitable for a product with a higher repurchase rate and low unit price. Second method is when someone buy a product at a low price such as first class product, then invite friends to make the same purchase, thus can unlock the rest of the products. Third is distribution sale. Users generate invitation posters to purchase products, and a commission is paid out when friends purchase through the invitation posters. Lastly, users may begin on their own or invite friends to participate until the target price is achieved before a purchase is made. Currently, the most popular method is mini program plus live streaming plus private traffic, which generates rapid purchases and orders. The most common form of live streaming is one of the private communities. In recent years, tens of thousands of communities were accumulated. Here are some case studies of our private communities campaign. Let's use Pinduoduo as example. Pinduoduo has encouraged users to invite friends on WeChat groups to purchase collectively, further lowering prices of products that were already heavily discounted. In 2017, Pinduoduo launched a mini app, an app inside WeChat's larger ecosystem, to rake in more private domain traffic. This is how they boost their private traffic initially and becoming one of the top e-commerce mini program on WeChat by monthly active users nowadays. That's the end of today's topic. Remember to follow and subscribe us to watch our latest